On October 14, 2025, Microsoft announced that it would stop delivering security updates to your Windows 10 PC unless you're willing to pay an exorbitant price to join the extended security updates program for the next 3 years or so. The best option might be to upgrade your current version to the latest version so you can continue to enjoy the full Windows experience. However, with Microsoft's restrictions, most users find it difficult to upgrade their Windows to Windows 11 because their PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements required for installation. Microsoft, on the other hand, has made it abundantly clear that it will not revise those requirements. While that might be the official policy, as with everything Windows related, there are 2 fully supported workarounds I'll be showing you in a moment. Stick to the end of the video. The second and safest one is to create a bootable media using the Ventoy or Rufus tool and perform a clean installation. The other option is to perform a little change in the Windows registry. Though these 2 methods skip CPU compatibility checks, your PC needs to have certain configurations. Secured boot must be enabled, TPM must be enabled, and startup must be configured using UEFI. If you're not sure about your system configuration, run the System Information Utility, msinfo32.exe, and look at the System Summary page. Pay special attention to the BIOS mode value. If it says Legacy, you'll need to reconfigure your system to UEFI mode and reformat your system disk before you can install Windows 11. Head to your BIOS menu and perform the necessary configurations. With all been set, let's see the first method. Open Registry Editor. Click Win+R and type the following command. After reboot, head over to the official website to download the ISO link in the description. After the download completes, open File Explorer and double-click the ISO file. In File Explorer, find the setup.exe file and double-click it to begin the upgrade. You'll see a stern warning about compatibility issues, but after you click OK on that dialog box, your upgrade should proceed without any serious issues. If you've tried these procedures, I want to hear about your experience. If it worked, please share the details. If you ran into errors, drop a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching and see you in my video.